Hi and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to calculate the percentage of a goal in Microsoft Excel. So by the end of this video, we should be able to take the number of books read versus the goal that we have and see what percent of the goal has been completed. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So in order to calculate our percent complete, I'm going to click in cell C2, and then I'm going to type equals with a left parenthesis, and I'm going to click on B2, which is my number of books read, divided by what's in A2, which is my initial goal. And then I'm going to close the parentheses and type times 100 so that I am not being returned with a fraction, but the actual number that is my percentage. And then I'm going to press enter. And I can see that 80% of my goal has been achieved. And because this is a divided by 10, you can see that pretty simply with 8 over 10 is 80%. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. We go into other ways how you can use the percentage of goal calculation out on our blog, including a really cool graph like this to show the percentage of a goal completed versus how much is remaining. And I will include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments for us, please leave them and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.